Fully Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, no man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, yeah, me go start out by saying big up Coffee. She win our Grammy. You know what I mean? First album, Grammy same time. Big achievement, mama. But she found out in her suit though and make a strong statement. Like people can stop ask her what them that ask her recently because she found out in her tuxedo and not a dress. But that is a reasoning for somebody else and their channel. Go check it out if them have it. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel and Governor. Yeah, and them latest album has landed on the best-selling iTunes charts. Big achievement for Governor. And Vybz Kartel is a good look, big achievement, superstar. We expect nothing less from the best. Big up the teacher. Every time, you know the something of viewers and subscribers. The incarcerated king of the dancehall, Vybz Kartel, and the 4th Jenna DJ Governor both released new albums on January the 10th. Enough people they did realize that. Now, to delight the anxious fans, over the weekend, Kartel's album Tutanisha peaked at number 3 on the iTunes in the hip hop and rap category for best-selling albums in the US. Viewers and subscribers, una go on like a mistake we make when the boss say I go drop him album in the hip hop and rap category. Una feel like the boss that make no mistake. Big up the teacher. Achievement again. We'll continue to achieve achievements and do it for dancehall music. Big up Governor as well because Governor's album Human and Monsters are not the same. Peaked at number 2 in the reggae category and the Apple owned music store behind the Bob Marley compilation. And from your daddy up there with Bob them. Listen to me now, man. From your daddy up there with Bob them. You have made it somewhere. You make it. You make it from anything for your daddy with something with Bob. You make it. Me now ask nobody. I tell that viewers and subscribers from your album, from your achievement, from people mention your name and Bob name in the same sentence, you achieve something. Now Governor thanked his fans on Instagram for the support for his debut album and the first time the artist had dropped an album and the people them support it. Saying, big up my fans them. Marley still a lead for iTunes, but Governor dead after. Both artists are among dancehall's most consistent and current hit makers. Yes, Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? And Govy. Coming out and like Govy do extremely well. From him forward out with Baked Bean, we don't see him drop no catch. You see that song that him drop recently, that music video there, it a rock dancehall. People say them rate Governor, people say them rate Chris. Yo, it a rock dancer. Plus we saw where that go on the island at that moment in time. So we get that video there at the right time. And since the video drop and sitting, me not hear no more of them situation there go on for my news. You know what I mean? Yeah, yo. But they even want to make the reasoning about that. Lord woman them. I don't want to make the reasoning about that. You get me? I say, Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers is a veteran within the dancehall space. Within his 20-year career, the incarcerated DJ has captivated the hearts and minds of dancehall fans around the world, and they have crowned him the king of dancehall. Vybz Kartel has been revered by dancehall fans for decades, having spent a majority of the last decade behind the bars. He is impressively remained at the top of the dancehall charts year after year. Consecutively the boss do it. Consecutively the boss do it. You know, some people ask me how I talk about the teacher so much. Consecutively, the boss do it. You hear that? Over his 20-year career, let me remind you, for the majority of the last decade, the artist has been wrongfully placed behind the bars. But you know what it never do? It never stopped the artist's musical career. Because it's the work ethic, People like to talk like say work ethic not count for nothing. Me I go prove to you right now, the reason how work ethic count for a whole heap. It's because the teachers and artists like this were serious about music and about the movement of the culture. The artists and artists when they in the studio they make multiple tracks. I'm here Winford ask him and him say yes it's true. And we are people who know the artists, sources close, attest to that saying yes, it's a man like this man. And him going in the studio man. We are even not nice recently say, it's a man who will get up with a concept of your song. And maybe the concept of the song is the ending. And him forward in the booth and record the ending. And say watch you now we're going to start the song now. Because that's some feel like the song for stop. It's a creative individual like that. And because them record multiple tracks. Because some people like talk like them feel like say them can catch we in a loop. You can't catch we in a loop. And a man and them loop you follow up. The teacher have songs recorded for days. We have whole heap in the vault and we have whole heap in store. We can go on the songs 3 days. Same way like the teacher still there road. And so the artist got to work. Yo, right now the teacher is so creative that we can get a chorus from the teacher and make a song. We can have a chorus and make a song. And if you feel like a joke me, I make recently Mr. Skillibeng forward out. And about 3 hit sang them a one verse and most people don't realize. Because them captivated by the creativity. Now we are talking about Vybz Kartel. Yes, you might realize and notice because of the teacher and every word them say you pay attention to. But it will still be a song we like. No doubt tapping the charts as well. Are the teacher that, are the boss that for dancehall music. The fans crown him the king. The teacher never crown himself. Was the people crown themselves? Yes, we know artists will crown themselves. There are artists who crown themselves the king. No, the fans crown Vybz Kartel the king, viewers and subscribers. And that is the way it should be. It shouldn't be an artist that say, oh, I am that good that I consider myself the king. No. It should be an honor bestowed upon an artist by fans. Because that's one of the highest level of admiration you can receive from the fans. The fans crowning you the king of the genre. So you can't be an artist and then start claim kingship. No, you can't do it. You cannot make that claim as an artist. It has to be bestowed upon you. King Yellowman don't tell we. A Kartel the only artist where the fans and people say king. And Yellowman say, a reality. When Bean did say king, yes, King Yellow say, what? When? Where? How? Why? When the fans say the teacher, the king, King Yellow say, yo, the teacher remind me of myself. When me I say Zungo. And that's true. Remember, King Yellow was an artist where push the boundaries of being prolific, being explicit. And still yet being creative. And the teachers also push that envelope. Set a certain standard, if you may. Remember when him said don't do it at the school bus. And when him said take it girl, you take me easy. And people say wait, what that? But the teacher grow for show them say watching them. We have versatility. We can give the fans what they want. And we can also put cultural gems in the music. So even if it's a song where them a jump and prance, so when them listening to it on another day, when them a drive or them in a bus and them a listen to them headphones, them can hear the lyrical content and be inspired, be motivated to be better citizens upon the country, better individuals, handle certain situation differently. The teacher do it. You know what I mean? Big up governor. Big achievement this. We can't go around them. You know what I mean? Dancehall show them support for artists. I'm like that look there. We are look forward to see a Grammy category for dancehall. All we need now are more dancehall artists to put out albums. We have a whole heap of reggae artists who have put out albums. But when you check the levels, remember, Governor's album peaking on the reggae charts. But when those who are considering nomination for reggae albums look on the catalogue of work from Governor, even though the album might do extremely well, they must say this is not a reggae artist or represent the movement of reggae. See, you get to me and say, it's easier now if you look on Governor and his album and look on him dancehall catalogue and look on it based on the contributions of other dancehall superstars, legacy makers, and how dancehall is looked at. And then that probably give him a different eye. And the teacher that probably have about, yo, every album with the teacher drop, there would be a Grammy at the yard put up. You know what I mean? So, food for thought. Definitely tell me if you agree in the comment section. But it's the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and for also leave a like on the vlog because the like icon is there. The share icon is also there as well. So you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and check out the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. The comment section is always open. Yes, be mindful and respectful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Now, this is a quick recap. Vybz Kartel and Governor album both land on the best-selling iTunes charts. Big achievement for dancehall artists. No make nobody telling them nothing. Our up move settings, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again, fam.